What's up, everybody? Out here in Texas, and it finally cooled down. It was 94 today. It felt like 102, so I didn't come outside till just a little while ago. But I was feeling a little adventurous, and I was tired of sitting in the house, so I figured I'd get out here and gonna take a little dangerous ride over here. We got everything down here: copperheads, rattlesnakes, water moccasins, mountain lions, and hell, maybe even Bigfoot. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna try to go on this trail back here. I haven't been here in a long time. It might be grown over. I might not even be able to make it, but if it is, I'll just turn around and come back. I'm gonna shoot this video in 4K, so it's or I'm shooting this video in 4K, so it might be a little bouncy here. I don't have the stabilization here in 4K. But 22 in Castle, man. If I get eaten by a mountain lion or killed by a rattlesnake, it's been nice knowing you. Hopefully I don't bust my butt down here. Seems pretty straight. I don't know if you can tell, but this is a pretty steep hill. I'm gonna go down here and hopefully I can get back up. I might be able to make it down to the river. Let me see. That's why I love this scooter, man. These Segways are awesome. You can go anywhere. Look at that. Look at that hill I came down. It's nuts. Check that out. Oh, what is that? That was a fish right there. A big old fish. Let's see what else we can see down here. Let's see, we got deer tracks. Something making a little wake right there. I think that's that fish. Check it out right there. What is that? Something in the water there. I need to find something to throw at it. Ah, that's not a fish. That's just something in the water. I'm seeing things. All right. That's about enough of that. When I go back up here, what do you think? Y'all think this thing can climb that hill? Well, I know it can. I've done it before. Well, no mountain lions or snakes yet. I don't know how this video is going to come out because it's getting kind of dark, and I don't think this camera does really well in low light. It is in 4K though. I don't know if that makes a difference. I'm just gonna take it slow. I don't want to wipe out. Look at that. Grass knocked my kickstand down though. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it back here. There is a trail back here, but it looks like it's way too overgrown. Oh yeah, it's gone. There's no way. There's no way I can make it back there. I mean, I could, but it wouldn't be very smart. Yeah, there's no other way. Well, that sucks. I wanted to go back there. There's a little trail that goes all the way down the river down there, and there's a nice little spot where you can go down. There's a concrete pad where you can fish off of it and all that kind of stuff, but that ain't happening. People that used to have this place, they used to maintain that.